We are proud to present our new softgel production line.
With the aim of increasing our manufacturing capacity, we are pleased to announce the startup of a new soft gelatin capsule line at Rioja Nature Pharma, now fully operational at our facilities. This expansion is part of an ambitious project that includes new production areas, advanced equipment, and technological upgrades designed to optimize every stage of the manufacturing process. Thanks to these improvements, we've increased our production capacity and reduced manufacturing times, allowing us to respond more efficiently to market demands. This new line enhances product quality, maintaining the highest quality standards in every batch. We continue moving toward a more efficient, sustainable, and customer-focused production model, strengthening our commitment to innovation and continuous improvement, and reinforcing our position as a leader in the industry. This achievement belongs to all of us. It's another step forward to the future of our company.